A lot of people now, I don't drink caffeine anymore. I don't drink coffee anymore, but I drink substitute coffee, which is they use mushroom and they roast it and it was burned and then they have that kind of flavor and smell. No. In TCM, which is traditional Chinese medicines, anything burned, not good for your liver. Anything burned. So it doesn't matter if it's mushroom, they make it burn, or coffee beans, they make it burn. Doesn't matter. Anything burned is not good for your liver. So the coffee or the mushrooms that they burn until it's roasted, you have a lot of toxic, we call it toxic, in the liver.